A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit has reinstated President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, just a day after a federal court ruled that the president had exceeded his authority in imposing these duties. The appeals court granted a temporary administrative stay against the prior ruling, which had blocked the tariffs following a determination that the emergency powers law invoked by the Trump administration does not provide the president with unbounded authority to impose tariffs on goods from nearly every U.S. trading partner. The three-judge panel's decision has reignited debates over the balance of power between Congress and the presidency regarding trade regulation. The Court of International Trade had previously concluded that Congress holds exclusive authority to regulate commerce with foreign nations and that the International Emergency Economic Powers Act of 1977, IEPA, does not grant the president unlimited tariff power. The court emphasized that allowing such a delegation of authority would undermine the legislative power vested in Congress. In response to the ruling, White House spokesperson Kush Desai argued that the trade deficits represent a national emergency that has adversely affected American communities and weakened the country's defense industrial base. The administration is adamant about using every available executive power to address what they consider a trade crisis. Trump's tariffs, which he claims will revitalize American manufacturing and reduce the federal budget deficit, have faced significant backlash. Since their announcement, financial markets have experienced turbulence, and business leaders have expressed concerns about potential economic fallout. The situation remains fluid, as Trump has postponed the enforcement of certain tariff rates, including a substantial duty against the European Union, creating uncertainty in the market. The appeals court's ruling came in light of two lawsuits challenging the tariffs, one filed by the Liberty Justice Center, representing small businesses adversely affected by the tariffs, and another brought by a coalition of states led by Oregon. Oregon's Attorney General Dan Rayfield applauded the ruling, asserting that it reaffirms the importance of adhering to established laws and that trade decisions should not be made arbitrarily by the president. The Trump administration quickly filed an appeal following the initial ruling, indicating a strong intention to fight for the tariffs. Legal experts note that the appeals court's administrative stay does not provide a definitive ruling on the merits of the case, but it does allow for further deliberation on the matter. The ongoing legal battle over Trump's tariffs highlights the contentious nature of his trade policies and their implications for the U.S. economy. As the administration seeks to navigate this legal quagmire, industry stakeholders are left grappling with the potential impacts on their businesses and the broader economy. The stakes are high, with many watching closely to see how this legal saga unfolds and what it means for the future of U.S. trade policy. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.